gast komt in de beurt, want hij meet maar liefst 2,36 meter. Kan niet wachten, ik heb hem nog niet gezien om hem in levende lijven te zien. Dames en heren, een groot applaus voor Hussein Bissa. Fantastic. Hussein Bissa.
Hi, how are you?
That is amazing, Hussein. Wow.
How are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine. It's a pleasure to meet you. It's an honor to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yes. Could you just for fun sit in my chair just for a second, just to see what that looks like? Can you try that chair?
Right.
Let's kijken hoe Jensen eruit ziet als hij het zou presenteren, zeg maar. Hoe dat eruit ziet.
Yeah, it's a small.
Is this too small?
Yeah, man.
Dit is echt heel apart, heel apart. Oké, hoe zijn je? The sofa is probably more comfortable for you. Are you okay? Wow. 1 meter and 37 centimeters.
Yeah, man.
Very good. I'm very intimidated. That's you're probably a friendly giant. Unbelievable.
Thank you.
Is it true, Hussein, that you have? I mean, because you're from Somalia originally.
Yeah.
You live in the UK now.
Yeah.
You're actually a refugee, aren't you?
No, I'm citizen now.
Okay. And so you live in the UK, but I mean, if you want to answer in how do you say that?
That's good.
In Somali, that's fine. But you have the largest hands in the world.
Yeah, it's biggest hand the world is here.
Biggest hand.
Yeah, man.
Okay, let's take a look. Let's compare it to my hand here.
It's small in it for you, mate.
Oh.
This.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh!
Small, isn't it? Yeah?
I am so small.
Huh?
I've never felt so tiny in my life.
Yeah.
This is unbelievable. The biggest hands in the world.
Yep.
Wauw. Maar je hebt om even te laten zien hoe groot Hussein is, moet je kijken even en hoe groot zijn handen zijn. Als ik gewoon wat dingetjes uit het dagelijks leven, hè? Bijvoorbeeld hier. Ik heb hier een muis. Hier is een muis. If you show me your hands compared to the mouse.
It's small. Yeah, most of it is the most of it can't really what I say to me.
Yeah, completely covered. But look, if you show, it's gone now. How about if you have like a cup of espresso, like an espresso in the morning?
This one is small also. Do you see the cup now?
I cannot see the cup now. No, but it is echt ongelooflijk. But if you hold it, just hold it, like good morning, Hussein.
This one is small.
Wow, but it is incredible. I mean, you have the largest hands in the world. I have the largest. Okay.
Thank you.
No, but it's great. So, in airplanes. When you're on airplanes, because you flew in from the UK. From the UK, is that a problem?
Yeah, it's problem. Much problem. So it's not fixed the chair.
No.
Yeah, it's not big space. The airplane.
Where did you sit on the airplane?
First class.
First class. you have to. But even first class, there's probably isn't enough leg room for you.
It's not enough. Also, it's first class. It's small.
Small. Do you get two seats? Do you get 2 seats or 3 seats?
No, 2 seats.
2 seats.
2 seats is not enough for me.
It's unbelievable. Ook een tijdje geleden heb ik hier de kleinste mensen ter wereld gehad. De smallest people. En het is misschien wel even aardig om dat nog eventjes te zien. Bijvoorbeeld Bradley, die was 15 jaar oud. En die was nog niet eens een meter. Hij zei dat hij een meter was, maar hij was het niet. Maar laten we even kijken hoe dat eruit zag. Could you stand next to me? How tall you really are, Bradley? So let's look at that. That's fantastic. So how tall are you, Bradley?
39 and a half.
39 and a half.
And that's stretching it.
And that's stretching it.
He wants to be 42 for that roller coaster so bad.
wat we even, ja, dat was zo aandoenlijk. Ik denk nog heel vaak aan die gasten. Maar wat we even kunnen doen, want we hebben dan eventjes, doen we even splitscreen. Hebben we aan de ene kant hebben we dat ik even naast Bradley stond, dus de kleinste persoon ter wereld. En dan gaan we even naar Hussein. Even kijken hoor, ik val over die nepmuis. Right, Hussein, if you can stand up, we can sort of do split screen, and we'll see the difference here. Okay, if you stand next to me right here, if you turn around a little bit to that camera, look at that. What a difference, huh? Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? Have you ever met some of the other tall people in the world?
Yeah, of course. dat badan baan arkay laakiin maana imika tallest club of the UK oo kale waan ku jiraa imika ninkan ka daawanayay mar dhaweedo goal screen la yiraahdo.
Did you ever meet the Chinese guy? We have a picture of the Chinese guy. He's about just your height. He's about your height. I think you're a bit taller. He's here with his wife. That's his wife standing next to me. Absolutely true. That is his wife. And I'm your boyfriend. Is that good? So take a seat. It's fantastic. It is ongelooflijk. So Hussein, are you married? Is that more difficult to find a relationship?
Yeah, it's adigu mar hore waan isku dayay inaan guursado laakiin weli tii xaaladii weli ma helin.
Dat is nog niet gelukt. Hoe is het met kleding? Hoe zit het met kleding? Is dat moeilijk te krijgen? Dat moet natuurlijk allemaal custom made moet dat zijn, hè?
Yeah, all my clothes is special order.
Yeah.
And the shoes is also all the special order.
But it's expensive being this tall, isn't it?
Imika, this is my the suit. How much cost for me?
How much it cost for you?
£700.
£700, yeah. Just to have it custom made, yeah. And the shoes, because what is your shoe size?
The shoe size 22. It's UK.
22 in the UK. I don't know. What would 22 be?
European 59.
59?
Yeah, European. Yeah.
59. The average shoe size in the Netherlands is about 40. This shoe is 40. Let me put it next to your foot. This is de gemiddelde maat, 40. Well, we can do. Yeah. Here.
Look this way.
So let's just. The smell is all right. Let me. Hier, kijk. Kan je dat zien of niet? Het is een beetje zwart, maar... Look at this, wat het verschil.
Ja, look at this, the inside.
Inside. Hier. Het is fantastisch. Ongelooflijk. Wow, I'll give you your shoe back. Stay here, Hussein. Ik ga er even wat Nederlandse, want Nederlanders zijn ook in Nederland hele lange mensen. Hussein is natuurlijk extreem lang.